Moving charges and magnetism. Here, convert a galvanometer into an ammeter. ಇದೇನು 3 marks topic ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. This is 11th topic in this chapter. ಎಲ್ಲೇ 3 and 5 marks topicsಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. First, you need to write a line. What is that? How do you convert a given galvanometer into ammeter? Then you need to draw the diagram. ಆನಂತರ diagram ಆದ ನಂತರ equation ಬರೀಬೇಕು and finally final equation, that is S is equals to Ig into capital G divided by I minus Ig ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. First you need to write a line. ಏನಂತ ಲೈನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? A galvanometer can be converted into an ammeter by connecting a suitable low resistance S, that is called a shunt resistance, in parallel with it. Here it is. This is the galvanometer that ನಾವು parallel ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, a small resistance na connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ in parallel with that galvanometer, that is called a shunt resistance. And here the dotted lines represent, that is a converted ammeter. As this current I enters the junction, Ig current through the galvanometer, what is that G represents? G represents the resistance of the galvanometer, and rest of the current I minus Ig through the resistance S. And from the figure, you know that when resistors are connected in parallel, potential difference across the each resistor is same ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? From the figure we can write potential difference across the resistance S is equals to potential difference across the G, that is resistance of the galvanometer. Okay, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ expression? You know what? V is equals to ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? potential difference is equals to current into resistance ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ potential difference across the S, I can write current through the S ಏನದ I minus Ig into S ಬರೆದ್ರೆ that gives the potential difference across the S ಆಯಿತು. That is equals to, why it is equals to? Because these two are in parallel. Potential difference across G, and that is current through the capital G, that is galvanometer is ಏನದ Ig ಅದ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ? Ig into capital G. Why that capital G? Capital G ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? That is the resistance of the galvanometer. And here, what is that Ig? Ig is the current required to produce full scale deflection in the galvanometer. And what is that capital G? Capital G is the galvanometer resistance, and the value of resistance to be connected in parallel. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು parallel to convert a galvanometer into ammeter, that can be calculated using this equation. S ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, I minus Ig ಅನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? S is equal to Ig into capital G divided by I minus Ig, and that is enough for 3 marks.